Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, go through the previous videos, right? And also comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you, you know how we do it. Alright, so just as the title of the video says, the BTC trade I took that made me over 1,000 pips, and we won't do too much talk, just go straight into the video. Alright, okay, so this is a break and retest strategy. I took the trade from a break and retest strategy, right? And the first thing to always do whenever you want to take a trade in terms of analysis, right, is to first understand and get a true picture of the market structure, right? Because if you don't do that and you get the direction of the market wrong, every other decision you would make would definitely or most likely be wrong. So right, what first do, as you can see here, BTC, we see that it has been trending on an uptrend. Then we got into this range, then price started making lower lows and lower highs, right? And then we got this impulse move that just went all the way down. What's the next best thing to do for break and retest? We go and check for the swing lows, the recent lows which the swing move, the impulse move broke, right? So we took this first low, identified this first low, and there was another low, we identified the second low, right? So all of that was just in anticipation for when price would come back up. If the structure of the cell was going to hold, it should react and reject off those lows, right? So that's the whole idea with break and retest. Just like the name implies, it breaks it. When it comes back to retest it, we should be anticipating the move, right? So then what happened next? As you can see, start waiting, right, for market to move. Then boom, we got this very impulsive move to the upside, which invalidated our lowest low, right? So we just take that out, we delete it because it's not of any use to us again. Then we see that it started reacting around the highest low, right? So what do? We reanalyze our zone, and I always draw my zones from the body to the wick of the recent lows, either recent low or the recent high, from the body to the wick. And as you can see, that's what we did. So what the next best thing to do, as we've gotten a possible trade option, the next thing to do is to wait for candlestick confirmation, right? So we wait for candlestick because we have to see and know that the sellers are present in the markets. Having the bias is not enough, we have to get confirmation, right? And then we wait. After about 8 hours, we're able to get our confirmation. And you also know all my analysis are done on the 4-hour, right? So that gives me a clear direction of what the market is doing. And just like the picture I posted with the title, you could see that my entry was just after that bearish close, right? And I got in, put my stop loss above the range and targeted the previous lows. If the structure is going to hold, right, it should continue with that lower low, lower high formation, right? So set that out and let the trade play out itself, right? So we played, boom, and we went into profit in about, say, after 3 candles, about 12 hours. The trade itself lasted for about 24 hours, about 6 candles, right? So, and I just closed the trade when I saw a 1:4, and I just perceived that the market was weakening because initially too, BTC is more in an uptrend until this break of structure happens. So we're just trying to take a trade opportunity, right? And yeah, we got that, and that was basically it. You know, for all of this to actually make sense, everything has to just follow a certain principle. First, identifying the market structure, being patient enough to wait for the buyers, right? Then waiting for candlestick confirmation, and more importantly, waiting for the trade to form and play out. Like all of those key things are very, very important. And once you get all of that, I mean, you don't need to think during the trade, just let the outcome take care of itself, right? And that's basically it, right? So that was the basic analysis that was used to catch this trade opportunity. And yeah, so thank you guys for following me to the end, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, all right, and share this too, and let me hear your thoughts in the comment section on what you think about the break and retest strategy. All right, bye guys.